Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to disable read receipts on Webex. So to start, open Webex app first, then click on your profile at the top left. So this will open your profile and preferences. Next, click on settings. Now here, you have a lot of options. What you need to do is to click on messaging. Now, once you do that, here you'll see use read receipts. So if it's turned on, just tap on that to turn it off. If it turns gray, that means it's turned off. So once you turn this off, people won't know you saw their messages and you won't know when they saw yours. So again, just a quick recap. Click on your profile, go to settings, go to messaging, and turn off use read receipts. And that's basically it. If you can find the read receipts button, you can update the WebEx app. So close the WebEx app and go to App Store or Play Store. Now use the search bar and search for WebEx. Tap on it, open it, and you should see an update button in there if it's available, and click on that to update the app. Now once done, click on open and see if read receipts is available. You can also try to log in and log out. So go back to profile and preferences and scroll down and you'll see sign out. So click on sign out and you'll be signed out into WebEx. Then sign in again. So enter your email address, click on next and just follow the following prompts. And once you're logged in, check if that solves the problem. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.